YouTube. I'm trying to fix this phone. But got an idea. Use a dish towel. Won't slide. There you go. Alright, wanna see the bread I hang over on the fridge top? Jesus, have mercy on me. Alright guys, this is it. How can I donate from United States? Everybody is saying to set up a new GoFundMe. I think we're gonna do that because I don't want to be blocked by the remittances. Now tonight I am very emotional. Spirit Rebel, I will follow. Just send me a DM, please, Spirit Rebel. I will follow your page when I'm finished. Guys, let me turn off my notifications as I should have done already. Oh, someone's calling me Mommy Samson. My God, you guys don't know how hard this is. How hard. I haven't cried in a while, but I can't help it tonight. You know, it's been a while. Kaylan has been doing so good. Kaylan has been doing so. I don't care who want to backlash. I'm just going to put this out there right now. I don't care who want to say negative. I don't care who wants to say anything at all about me at this moment. I don't care. Nobody's perfect. Everybody makes mistakes in life. Nobody has the right to hurt anybody, no matter where they are and no matter what the situation is. Now, when I'm finished, I'm going to be reaching out to some people. I'm going to be reaching out to the ministers. I'm going to be reaching out to some of the entertainers, some of the athletes. I made a post today on Yussein's page asking for help. I have reached that point. All through this, I have not been doing it. I haven't been contacting anybody. I haven't been DMing anybody. I haven't been bothering anybody. I made several appeals to the government and you know, as per usual, I'm ignored. But I'm going to do things the right way, right? Not going to point any fingers, not going to backlash anybody. It's not about that tonight. It's not about that, right? Tonight is about Kaylan. Now, Kaylan has been doing so well. Kaylan was doing so well to the point that they were going to discharge her. They were thinking of discharging her, right? That's how well she was doing, right? We got her off the vent for a few. Come on, people. A C2 spinal injury, 9 cardiac arrests, 9 times her heart stopped. Multiple seizures. She went into septic shock. If anybody knows anything about sepsis, it's about a 45 to 50% mortality rate. A C2 spinal injury has a higher mortality rate. I was actually told that she would never survive this. She survived paralysis. She's now moving her limbs. She's eating, talking. Face dead on her, you can't find at the hospital. Face dead on her, you can't find a lot of the nurses, they just love her because they're always laughing when they go into her cubicle. I will be releasing Kaylan's birthday pictures tonight. I don't care who, and I don't want nobody to tell me to take them down. I don't want nobody to call me and tell me to take down any picture of my child. I have a right to post anything I want, and I am not going to remove them. Whatever the consequences may be, I will deal with it. And that is the truth. Because I'm not going to let nobody forget about my child, and I'm not going to let the world forget what happened to her. I'm not going to let these people forget what they did. I've been calling out for help for a long time. It's been 9 months. 9 months. I do what I can every single day. I get up and I go every single day. And she cries and she suffers in pain, pain that no medication can help. They give her morphine, they give her fentanyl, they give her baralgin. She's on all of these medications all at once. At one point, she's on 3 and 4 antibiotics all at once, not separately, all on the same time, till her body turned black. I don't share every single detail, but right now I need help. I reached out to some hospitals overseas when she was doing better, when she was stable, and was told that they can't take her because she does not require, at that time, she does not require medical help. She requires therapy. She requires pulmonary therapy, respiratory therapy, and things like that. So they said she need an acute care facility. No. If a child survives all of this, everything the doctors said she would not do, she survived. She survived all of it, to the point where they're planning to send her home. That's how far she reached. That's how well she was off almost all the medications. She was just on like things for seizure and things like that. She was off fluids, off antibiotics, off all these things. Right? That's how well she was doing. I have the evidence of all of this. But I'm constantly told, do not post, do not give out too much information, do not this, do not that, do not. But right now, I don't care, because if I don't, I will not get help, and she needs it. I can't sit back after 9 months and see my child survive all of this and then just sit back and let her die. I am not going to do it. Whatever, you can lock me up when you're not done. Whatever the consequences, lock me up. But I'm not gonna make she dead. I'm not gonna sit by and let her die. Now Kaylan's condition has gotten a turn for the worst. Her blood pressure is not stabilizing at the moment. Her saturation level keeps dropping. She's right back on the vent control. She can't breathe any at all for herself. I don't care. I don't want nobody tell me not to say anything. I don't want nobody tell me not to post anything, because all the people that are telling me not to are not helping me. Everybody that is saying don't post this, don't that, they are not helping. I am not going to be reading any negatives tonight. I'm not going to look at you people, because all you do is talk. Empty barrels make the most noise. None of you have reached out to help her. All the people that are talking. Now she has reached a point where she needs help. The doctors here have told me that they have done what they can. They have done what they can. There's no step-down facility in Jamaica for Kaylan. There's no facility to take her out of ICU. There's no facility for her to go to here in this island that we live, or anywhere in the Caribbean, to be frank. I have called around. I've had people call around, checking all from Cayman, Trinidad, Barbados, Bahamas, everywhere, trying to find a facility to take her who can help her. Now I am at my wit's end. What we need is a facility to say, hey, we're going to take this child. That is what I need. That is actually what we need. Nobody now have to put dollar in my hand. Whatever facility needs to get it, just send it right to them. Please. I'm not asking for any financial help. That I need nobody to put nothing in my hand. That's not what I'm here for. What I need is somewhere that can save her life. That is all I'm asking. I'm asking for somewhere that can save her life. That is it. Right? We tried a few facilities in the States and they're asking me for overseas insurance. I've never been to the States. Where would I get overseas insurance? Come on, people. Be realistic. When I'm finished, I'm going to send messages to everybody that I can find on this Instagram page who I know can do something. If you yourself can't do it, I know some of you know people who can help. Somebody influential where you can call and say, look, there's a situation with this little young lady and she's been fighting. That is all I am asking. Today I was at the hospital and she was still joking around, still trying, even though she can't keep up because she's so drowsy. Right? She's still trying to crack a joke. She's still trying to smile through all of this. I don't know who is out there. This live is just an appeal. That's all I'm here for, an appeal. I don't know who, but I'm just praying that somebody will see and God will speak to somebody's heart, and a hospital, a doctor, a surgeon, I don't know who. If I was in the position to help somebody, I would. So I don't understand how nobody's trying to help. I don't understand how nobody's trying to help. I've had a few people that reached out to me since this happened, and I appreciate these people, right? I appreciate these people, the people that have reached out, who have showed up on her behalf in the beginning of all this. I appreciate you, right? I appreciate you, but right now, she needs help. She needs to get out. She needs help. She needs to be in a facility where she can get what she needs. The doctors here have done a great job, but they have told me they have done what they, so it's just, so we're just sitting and waiting. That's all we've been doing for months now. Waiting, watching, waiting and watching. That's all we've been doing for months now, because they have done their best. She has a blood infection now. Her liver is swollen, and the rest of her vitals are so unstable. They have to be upping the medication or turning it down just to stabilize her blood pressure. She's going back into a critical state after she's come so far from 1% to the state that she is eligible to actually be considered to go home. And we're back here. I don't know who is watching. I don't know who is listening. I don't know who is out there, who cares, if anybody cares. I have done what I can physically do. I have the only thing I can do next is probably go out there, go Black Road, and that is another problem. Right? Because I can't afford to be locked up, because she would not survive that. Oh God, this is the hardest.